Good day everyone! I am Erica Balingasa, a fourth-year student major in Food Service Management. For today's video, I will teach you how to make a food for a competition for a badminton player. So are you ready? So let's begin! So now we are going to prepare a healthy and delicious oatmeal. So you know guys, oatmeal can help your cholesterol levels. So it contains fiber, protein, and iron. So it is better to eat this food before your competition. Why? Because when you eat oatmeal, so the source of it, so it contains a high carbohydrates and aids of digestibility. So these are the ingredients. So first, we have the oatmeal. So the calories in oatmeal come mostly from carbohydrates. So it provides 100 calories. So while fat and protein, each provide 20 calories each. So oatmeal are also a good source of iron, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Okay, so these are the second ingredients. So we have milk. So milk is a good source of many essential nutrients, so including calcium, protein, vitamin D, and such an athletes like badminton players, it helps build a strong bone and muscles before their workout. Okay, so the next is sugar. So sugar, it is to give the oatmeal flavor. The last ingredients is egg. So eggs are a very source of inexpensive, high-quality protein. So egg is rich in source of selenium, vitamin D, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and other minerals, so such as zinc, iron, and copper. So now I will demonstrate to you how to prepare a healthy oatmeal. So let's begin.